Can you do a close-up?
We're down to the Leslie Spit. We've got 8 or 10 minutes until the sun rises. So we were tempting fate to see if this was a bird that was gonna, red-winged blackbird, the ones that attack you if you get close to their nest. But we've been listening to the cool sounds it makes. It's got a whole repertoire of sounds, eh?
What?
It's got a whole repertoire of sounds, different noises. It doesn't seem to be. Well, first of all, it's not attacking me. Oh! Oh, well, see? I thought it was a baby for a minute. I'm not sure. So this is the Leslie Spit at about, well, sunrise is at 5:34. So we've got a few minutes. This whole area, that's all been built up, and it juts out there. See, like here, like look. It's like a rock, big, huge rock path out to the. And in not too long at all, plants will be growing on there. You can see they've cleared it all along here. Wow, the birds sound pretty cool. Anyway, I'm gonna walk down here because there was an otter that we used to see quite often last year. Still making cool noises. There's snails everywhere. Everywhere you look. There's 1, 2, 3 there. All along this path. Another one. Oh, look at that's a snail that's out of its. Wonder if that's clear. Oh, look at it's moving. Cool. Huh. You can see the camera there, the head sticking out of the snail. I was just filming to kind of waste time, and quite a few of these snails, their heads are sticking out.
Oh.
Yeah, look, come here.
Oh yeah, yeah.
And one up there,
I wonder why
when I got close to it and said something, it's,
I wonder why they're here. Like,
well, because the lake's right there, I guess.
yeah, but what?
Excuse me. This is a little path here. So there's snails, so many snails, holy crap. This is where our otter, we used to see the otter here all the time last year. Ray says they come back to the same territory or stay in the same territory all the time. This is exactly where I used to see them last year. And that's all new. That wasn't there last year, all that rock there. But sun's supposed to come up shortly. I'm gonna check the time here. 5:29. So in 4 minutes. But we got here early. We've been here in half an hour killing time. Somebody's had a little fire here. So we've been killing time, but I'm afraid it looks a little cloudy. So I don't know if we're gonna actually see the sunrise. Oh crap, look at the size of that slab. So quiet and nice. And a big huge city right over there on the other side of that bush. Well, no otter today. Man, we were riding out to the end of the spit, and the bugs were the thickest I've ever seen them ever. But we couldn't go all the way out to the end because the bridge was, there's a bridge that opens up to let the boats go through, and it was opened up, so we couldn't cross the bridge. No otter so far this year. I will keep watching for them. Keep down roses. Well, this is not very exciting video, but it's probably quite calming to anyone watching. It was a seagull attacking Ray.
Oh, did you see that?
Did it just catch something?
Yeah.
I think I might have got that on film. Must have been a pretty small fish. I couldn't see it. They must have incredible eyes. Justin Timberlake. I'm afraid
It's starting to get chilly.
5:33. It's supposed to be up in 1 minute. Actually 5:34:58. So I think we waited all this time and it's too cloudy. It's quite odd. It's getting,
I wonder if you could,
seems to be getting cooler than,
yeah. Look, I wonder if you could take some of those snails and go, just take them home and like it, put them in a little cage or something.
or eat them.
Well, no, I guess you could. Look at these swarms.
Oh yeah. They are getting blown away though.
They just appear in those.
I think that's why those birds just fly along the top of the water. I'm afraid we're not going to see the sunrise. But shouldn't it be lighting up the clouds at least?
I think it's probably too cloudy.
Yeah.
You can see the lights up above.
You look so butch. Well, should we continue on?
Yeah, maybe we
You see the birds out there all flying just above the water
should. See,
level?
it's getting, like, the water's getting red, right? Over here?
Well, it looks lighter over there, red behind the clouds. I don't know.
Well, yeah, it's like it's up, but it's just, the red is on the water there, so that's where,
Yeah.
it's, where it is.
What time is it now?
About a,
Yeah. It's 2 minutes after sunrise.
yeah, so it's just too,
All right. We'll continue on homeward bound. I put the battery in this camera, so all the video is on one camera today. So I'm putting it back on your bike. We'll put that light on low just so cars see it.